Today we are making our basic chocolate cake, so that we won't need to explain it every time and bore the heck out of you. It is nice and fluffy and melts on your tongue. You will need 3 eggs at room temperature, 250 gram sugar, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, about 350 gram flour, 1 package of baking powder, 30 gram cacao, 200 milliliters milk at room temperature, and lastly 200 milliliters vegetable oil. First mix the cacao powder, flour and baking powder together. It would be extra good if you'd sift it through. It'll get fluffier. This time I was just too lazy for it. Get your eggs and the sugar and the optional vanilla into a mixing bowl and whisk it until it gets a light color and it is all foamy. Now pour in the oil, milk and add the flour mix as well. I do this interchanging the 3 as I don't want clouds of flour through the kitchen. So first wet ingredient, then dry, then again wet, then again dry. It has become some kind of habit, to be honest. You don't have to do it this way. When that's mixed through thoroughly, you can pour them into your pans of choice. I had here 2 smaller deep pans that I wanted to try out. And what is better for trying out than chocolate cake? Bake the cake, depending on how thick you have it in your pan or even muffin, at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Of course, you have to check in between, or you already know your oven and adjust the temperature accordingly. And here we have it, a fluffy chocolate cake, great for any and all occasions. Of course, you can make a wide variety of different cakes with this base recipe. Skip the cacao, add lemon juice with its zest, a bit of flour, and you get yourself a lemon cake. The recipe is as usual in the description below. A like is always appreciated and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Thank you for watching and see you next week.